If you're interested in seeing how I go from this to this, then stay tuned. First, I'm just showing you guys the tool that I use that I got from Sally's that I'm going to use to clean out my cuticle area. So first I'm going to use that sharp end and just go in and scrape out all of that gunk that is in my cuticles. These steps that I'm going to show you in this video are all very, very important. So be sure to keep in mind that you do not skip any of these steps, because if you do, that is what's going to make your nails pop off. So if you want your nails to last at least 3 weeks to a month, then you need to make sure you follow all of these steps, okay? So basically, here I am just cleaning out all of that gunk in my cuticles, as you guys can see, and you just want to make sure you do that on every finger. So this is my nail file, and basically you just want to go in with the nail file and slightly file your nail. And basically what this does, it's just going to create like little grooves in your nail, and that's what's going to really help the glue just sit in that groove, and just basically makes the nails last longer. And again, you're just going to repeat this on each nail. Next, I'm going to go back in with that tool that I talked to you about earlier and just push my cuticles back. And I'm just going to repeat that on each nail as well. Once I am done doing that, I'm then going to go in and just spray some alcohol on my nails and wipe them clean. Once I'm done doing that, I'm then going to apply some Gorilla Super Glue. Here I'm just showing you how I'm literally just pressing the nails on, and I always press mine for at least 30 seconds and with like a lot of pressure. I don't know if that makes a difference as well, but this is how I've always applied my press-ons. Like, mind you, I've been wearing press-ons for years, like ever since I was a teenager. So these are the only steps that I've always done that has always made my nails last so long. So yeah, so just continue to press these nails on each finger. So if you guys are wondering where I purchased these nails from, unfortunately, I'm not going to give you guys that information, only because these nails didn't last. Like, even though they look gorgeous, the quality of the nails were not up to my standards. So unfortunately, one thing I do not do is promote anything on my channel so that I don't, agree with. I'm not gonna have my subscribers go purchase something, you know, just because I tell you guys to. Like, if it doesn't have quality to it, then I will not promote it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and like always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.